Alright guys, so I told you all I had a Mustang. It's out in the garage. We're going to go out in the garage here and have a look at it, but it's buried under a bunch of crap. I'm going to have to go dig it out first. I'll jump cut through all that stuff, but let's go have a look at the car. I'll show you what I'm starting with, and this kind of be like a kind of a log, I guess, where it starts at and where it ends at. As I'm sure a lot of you guys are aware, a lot of you car guys, maybe not so much the guitar guys, but the car guys are aware that, you go to a car show and you see a car that's got, like a photo album where it shows, we found it in this barn and then we drug it and put it on this trailer and it's covered in crap, and then they wash it and they're like, oh, this is rusty and this. I'm too lazy to take a bunch of pictures and put a photo album together, so I'm just going to shoot video of the whole thing. Come on, let's go look at this car. So much crap on this car. I hope I got somewhere to put everything. Y'all, car's outside, it's dusty, it's filthy, it's been laying in there in the dust, in the dirt, sawdust and all that for years. I think we're going to be able to do something with it. Right now, I'm gonna throw some water on it, see if I can't hose this girl off. Now, it's very important to understand that I'm not going for a showroom shine here. I'm not taking this to a car show. This is not going to be taken to a cruise night. I just want to knock the dust off the car. I use my shop as a workshop, and thusly, I sometimes saw wood and sometimes cut metal and various other projects that make dust go into the air, and for the past year, most of it has settled on this car. So, the reason I wanted to wash the car with just water is because, well, when you get it glossy like that, you'll be able to see any low spots, any high spots, any dips or dings. It gives me an opportunity to check panel fitment and see, maybe if the subframe is tweaked somewhere. Do the fenders line up to the doors? Do the doors line up to the rear quarters? Does the hatch sit in straight? How about the nose piece to the fenders? The rear bumper to the rear quarters? Do all these gaps line up and look right? If not, these could indicate issues down the road that, well, you're going to see me address whether I'm good at it or not. And furthermore, This also is a good opportunity to look for any rust bubbles. These cars are prone to rusting in certain areas, like along the hatch window and, around the rocker panels, and that little panel behind the doors near the rocker panel. But these are all things that we're going to go over when I take you on a tour of the car. Also, this helps you look for any leaky weather stripping around the hatch, the sunroof, and also around the door windows. Get inside. Is anything wet? If it is, these may be issues you'll run into in the future that you'll have to spend money on. But if you enjoyed this video, there's plenty more where it came from because we're just getting started on this thing. Come back and see me next time. My name's Chris, one man, garage, band. New videos every week. Like and subscribe. I love you guys. I'm out.